Hi, this is Victor and welcome back to my math tutoring channel. In this video, we'll try to solve that integral, which is 1 divided by 1 plus e to the power of x dx. And solving it, I will be using two techniques, integration by substitution and integration by partial fraction. So let's start by using the technique integration by substitution by saying let u equal 1 plus e to the power of x. So my du is equal, derivative of 1 is 0 and derivative of e to the power of x is e to the power of x dx. So if I want to rewrite this integral using u instead of e to the power of x, here I need dx. So my dx is equal du divided by e to the power of x. But I want to have dx with u's and du's. So from u here, so e to the power x is equal u minus 1 from that formula. So my dx is equal du divided by u minus 1. So now if I want to rewrite my integral, it becomes integral of 1 divided by u. And instead of du, I can multiply it by du. Instead of dx, I can replace it by du times u minus 1. Okay? So my integral will become integral of 1 divided by u times u minus 1 du. And because I have u times u minus 1 in the denominator, I will do integration by partial fraction. So I will take 1 divided by u times u minus 1 equal, because this u is to the power of 1, so I put a divided by u plus, and this u is to the power of 1 too, b divided by u minus 1. If I had to the power of 2 here, it becomes bx plus c, but because it is to the power of 1, it is b. I'm sure you know that. I have a lot of video explaining that, but just in case. So on the right hand side, I want to have a common denominator, so the common denominator become u times u minus 1, and my a I have to multiply it by u minus 1, and my b I have to multiply it by u, and all that equal u times u minus 1. Now because I have the same denominator on the left hand side and on the right hand side of the equality, I can take out that denominator. So I would have 1 equal au minus a plus bu. Now I have bu and au has u in common. I can factor out my u. So 1 equal a plus b, factoring out u minus a. And the coefficient of a plus b is u on the right hand side, and I don't have any coefficient with u on the left hand side. So I can say that a plus b is equal to 0. And a does not have any coefficient on the right hand side, and the 1 does not have any coefficient on the left hand side. So I have minus a here, so minus a is equal to 1. That means my a is equal to minus 1. And since a plus b is equal to 0, that means my b is equal to 1. Now I know what is my a and what is my b. I have to replace them here. So my integral become integral of, instead of a, I can put minus 1 divided by u plus du plus integral, and instead of b, I can put plus 1 divided by u minus 1 du. So that's easy to solve. Integral of, the minus can go outside the integral. Integral of 1 divided by u is ln or log of u. Absolute value of u, because log of or ln of a negative number does not exist, plus log of u minus 1 plus c. Now I have to replace u by its value. We said here my u is equal 1 plus ex. That's my u, 1 plus e to the power of x. So my solution will become minus log of 1 plus e to the power of x plus log And again, I replace u by 1 plus e to the power of x, but I have minus 1 here, minus 1 plus c. So plus 1 minus 1 is 0, so the final solution becomes minus log 1 plus e to the power of x plus log of e to the power of x plus c. And that is the final answer. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. That would help me tremendously. And if you push the like button, I would really appreciate it. Thank you for listening.